Hi, I'm Shortlist. I'm the co-founder of Aurora Medical Innovation. I'm also a cancer specialist doctor at University College London Hospital. We're here to present to you Shortlist. Take a case of a patient called Claire. She was diagnosed with ovarian cancer 2 years ago and was given 6 months to live. She went round and round looking for a clinical trial that could potentially save her life. Luckily, she found one. 6 months later, she was still alive, and even 2 years on, she's still well. Claire is the exception rather than the rule. This made me think about how could we make this into a solution that will affect many people's lives. We've now built an award-winning platform which is going to match the right patient to the right clinical trial at the right time, making what happened to Claire the rule and not the exception.
There's an inherent problem within the clinical trial sector due to a breakdown of communication between the patients and the medical industry. Patients aren't aware of the clinical trials available for them, and the medical industry is using very outdated methods to recruit these patients. Today, you can find the person who's right for you using Match.com. And we're hoping to do the same thing for patients by matching them to the trials that are right for them by using a similar online platform. Now, we've made this platform which can centralize patient information, which is crucial for recruitment, and we're hoping to democratize patient access to clinical trials. Using the latest technology, such as AI and machine-based learning, our platform will not only be able to match patients to trials, but will also be able to learn from its results. Every successful and unsuccessful match will allow it to adjust its selection procedure in a very advanced and efficient way. So in doing so, finding the right patient for the right trial will be easier than ever. Now, all of these points combined will work towards one main goal, which will be the reduction of time and cost for patient recruitment. We will decrease the amount of patients who have their hopes crushed by a trial being cancelled, because honestly, that trial might be their last chance. I want to give you a quick demonstration of what our product will look like to the patient and how it will work. So taking you from the start screen, we'll start off with all the basics. Then as we go to the next screen, you'll immediately see a list of trials available for your condition. And then after this, we'll ask you some more questions to try and match you to the right trial. We have a very diverse team with medical and technical backgrounds, which will provide us with the expertise needed to develop our product the way we want it to. Currently, there's a vast amount of untapped opportunities in our market. The clinical trials market is estimated to be about £800 million in the UK and up to £14.6 billion worldwide. On top of that, half of the 300,000 new cancer patients every year could benefit from taking part in a clinical trial. 7 out of 10 pharmaceutical companies that we've contacted have already expressed interest, and we've remained in touch with all 7 of them. One of these companies has confirmed that they'll want to use our product straight away once we've properly developed it. We currently already have access to data from one major teaching hospital in London, and will be actively expanding to the other trusts in London throughout our first year. Our main income is going to be coming from the pharmaceutical companies, who pay quite a lot of money for every patient that's matched to their trials. We are going to be offering our premium product, which is a matched patient, at a very competitive rate, whilst being more efficient and more accurate. We're also very happy to offer this service entirely free for patients. Our collaboration proposal will be to use the funding available to develop more specific and normalized criteria for easier data extraction and matching of patients. We will also use this funding to develop our matching process for patients to trials, which will be specifically based on the use of precision medicine. And lastly, we'll develop a very secure database that will contain patient data and also be used for the development of our algorithms in the future.
Thank you for listening. If you'd like to know more about what we do at Aurora Medical Innovation, visit us at www.auroramedicalinnovations.co.uk.